Hey guys, how's everybody doing? Well, on this very cold January day, it's -8 here in Toronto, but the sun is shining and we don't have any snow on the ground. This is actually a nice day. So I decided to come out into the backyard and see what's going on with some of my plants and just to do a little bit of a walkthrough and see what's going on. So come along with me and let's go have a look. So you see in the back here, we have a lot of plants that still have a lot of green in them. That, I believe, is the foxglove and my Rebecca's, my black-eyed Susan. And look at that. It's almost like it's starting to grow, sending out some green shoots. My roses have all dropped their leaves for the most part, but there's a lot of green in their stems and they still have some nice fresh leaves there, which is amazing. My lemon coral sedum, pardon my shadow guys, my lemon coral sedum is nice and green and looks great. Now a lot of the leaf mulch that I had put on here has blown away, I noticed. I might have to put a little bit more. Lots of green in these plants. Now usually there's a lot more snow on the ground here at this time of year, but we haven't had too much snow stick around, which is a good thing. Now my rose bushes here, I had meant to come out here and kind of tie them up onto the fence. Maybe I still have a little bit of time to do that. The boxwoods, looking healthy. Look at that. These perennials are tough little ones. I tell you, when you think that your garden has gone to sleep, there's a lot happening underneath the soil. Everything looks pretty good. I like to leave some of the foliage and the dried leaves and stems on these perennials for any seed heads that the little squirrels can eat. And look at these heucheras, still have their beautiful purple color. They just love the cold. Now look what we have here.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's I'm out here also keeping an eye on my grass. My grass is looking nice and green right now. It's pretty much gone to sleep. As during the fall time, I'd actually fertilize it and lay it down and treat it and get it ready for winter. So it's all set up now. I still see a whole lot of greenery going on there, which is fantastic. So come next spring, I'm looking forward to springing up and looking all green and dead.
Now in the front here, my boxwoods have grown up nicely. And we don't use salt on our pavement here, so that helps the boxwoods not to damage the boxwoods. And my hydrangeas have gone to sleep there, and that was some of my ornamental grasses that are done for the season. So it's getting pretty cold out here. It's kind of windy, but like I said, it's a nice sunny day. And most of my plants that I put to bed are doing good. No undue breakage or anything like that. There's a few things that I could have gotten done that I didn't get done as far as storing some of my pots and stuff, but we can deal with all that in the spring. So I'm gonna get inside and get warm. Talk to you guys soon. So my idea of getting inside to get warm was to hit up one of the big box stores and check out some of their plants. And boy, did they ever have plants. They had Majesty palms that were looking amazing. They had the Dracaena the Dracaena canes and the Yucca canes. I love those. I almost walked away with one, but I have to research and see how to take care of them because I don't want to buy that and then kill it. They had pothos and philodendrons. They had a real nice alocasia plant and the Swiss cheese monstera, I believe it's called. They even had a whole bunch of snake plants, a bunch of little succulents that looked really well. I mean, everything there looked good. Very vibrant and healthy looking. Oh my gosh, did they ever have a variety of seeds. I managed to score some green beans and some alyssum seeds that I'm going to need for planting in the spring. But they had a great variety of vegetable and flower seeds. Around the other side, they had some more snake plants, and they had another alocasia plant that I had mentioned before, but this one was a little bit bigger. Really nice looking. But like I said, I have to do a lot more research on these house plants because I really want to be able to care for these plants and treat them the way they're supposed to be treated. And I really like the succulents. I've never really owned a succulent, so I really want to get into some of these succulents. So even though it's a cold day out here, guys, I encourage you to get out, walk around your garden, have a look, see what's going on. I mean, it's January in Toronto Zone 5, -8, and the ground isn't frozen. So technically I could, I guess, put some bulbs in if I really wanted to. But it's a great day to be outside, and I encourage you to have a walk around your garden, guys. Take care.